All right, guys. Here are the yummy cakes.
It's just candle.
Can you guys turn off the light for 10 seconds? Just turn it off for 10 seconds. Oh, Pierre, or somebody, turn the light off. It says kitchen on it. It'll say kitchen on it. Oh, look how beautiful. We're not singing yet. Hold on.
There's two over there.
Just trying to videotape.
You missed two. You missed two.
My favorite banana cream pie. I don't think I want to share this, guys. It's very special to me. Oh, really, Freddie? Rooting for everybody. Rooting for everybody. All right, we can turn the light back on now. We just had to videotape how cool it looks with the lights. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Ken too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Freddie and Ken. And Ken. Happy birthday to you. Turn this way. Oh yeah. Freddie is 31 years old finally. Just barely turned finally. And Ken is 1 month old today, October 18th, 2012. All right. All right, Freddie, one breath.
One breath, all of them?
Yeah, just don't put your saliva in it, please.
Holding him?
Don't blow it yet, not yet. That's Daddy's.
Sparkling.
While holding it, I can't.
Oh, Crystal, you want to hold him? You don't want Freddie to drop him. Don't put your saliva on it.
I gotta meditate real quick.
Oh, meditate, come on. Make a wish before and after, okay? I know it's winning the lottery, right? That's what everyone wishes for. Win the lottery. Go, Freddie Leo.
Nope.
Come on, guys, help out.
They're trying to tell Jet to stop blowing. They're trying to cover Jet's mouth. They're trying to cover Jet's mouth. Oh my God, the smoke.
Go to the other one.
You guys, give him an oxygen tank. I think he's out of breath now. Carbon monoxide. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Turn the vent on. I'm dying. It's right behind you. Oh my God, the alarm's gonna go off.
Okay, one more.
All right, the alarm's gonna go off.
Man!